Barkbusters presents the Honda Africa Twin DCT Specific Kit Installation Guide, also applicable for non-DCT models. It's a good idea to lay everything out to ensure all the parts are being used correctly in this asymmetric installation. Depending on the bike model, different parts will be used. Starting on the left or parking brake side, remove the original handguards and bar end. Make sure to retain the internal handlebar weight. Reinstall the pivot bolt lightly to secure the lever. For DCT models, loosen the parking brake lever. These are the steps to be performed on the parking brake lever. Keep the lever attached to the bike. This is for demonstration only. Replace the original park brake lock bolt with the longer supplied bolt. Ensure the bracket is oriented correctly with the tab placed in the channel of the lever. Adjust the parking brake lever accordingly. Ensure the lever lock engages and releases, and check that the parking brake contact switch triggers. Install the bar end adapter. This part cannot be accessed after installation. Be sure to tighten sufficiently. Install the bar end weight and backbone together. Only secure lightly to keep the backbone in position for the clamp installation. Assemble the MFC28 clamp and the connector CP8 like so. Then mount onto the handlebar. Ensure the clamps are oriented in the correct direction. Remember to use the spacer on this side. Repeat the process for the other side. You won't need to modify the lever on this one. Place one or more washers between the bar end adapter and bar end weight. Once everything is in place, make sure to tighten all the screws to the specified torque on the instructions, starting from the outside to the inside of the handlebar. Check that the throttle doesn't bind and snaps back to its original position. Check clearances at full lock. Pay special attention to the tank, fairings, windscreen and dash. You can then add the guard of your choice to the backbone. Thank you for watching. Happy riding!